Hi everyone, today I'm just starting off with the basics of watercolor, especially for elementary age students. The main thing that I want to stress is keeping these supplies clean. We really want to keep this clean and take care of our supplies. Okay, so we have our cup of water. We're going to keep it kind of above our paper so that way we don't knock it over. If we have it on the side, we'll probably end up knocking it over. So I have my fresh water in here. I'm going to wet my brush. And let me see, I'll pick a color that I want. And I'll kind of just let it get wet for a minute. If I need more water, I'll get more water. I don't want to flood it. I want to make sure I have enough water. Okay, let's see. Kind of just want to cover the whole background of this. Oh, see, I'm running out. So let me get a little bit more water. And then I'll start again. Okay, I want to switch colors. But I'm not going to go straight for another color, because then I'll mix the green in with the purple and then it'll get yucky and black. So I'm going to make sure I rinse my brush. I want it to stay nice and wet. And let me get some blue. It might take a minute for the blue to get nice and wet. Once we have that, this is still wet, so I can actually kind of go over it a little bit. Go over the green that I did a little bit. And kind of just mix it on my paper. Okay, I'm running out and there's not a lot of water in there, so I'm going to get some more water. Again, just going back and forth. Okay, my brush is starting to run out again. And there's a lot of water in there, kind of. So I'm going to just use that water without getting more water. Again, I want to stress keeping this clean. Keeping your cup above your artwork so it doesn't get knocked over. Thank you all for watching. Happy painting!